Hello friends, welcome back to YouTube channel Technical ARS. I am Asman Singh, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily download the Windows 10 disk image, that is ISO file, from the official website of the Microsoft. So without being said, let's roll the intro. So in this procedure you have to use a web browser. In my case I will be using the Google Chrome. So in the search tab you have to type Windows 10 ISO and enter. So in this list you have to select the first one, that is download Windows 10 disk image, and select. And in this web page you can see it is asking you to download the media creation tool of Windows 10. So in this video I am going to show you how to download the ISO file, not the media creation tool. So on the top right corner you can see the three dots, that is customize and control Google Chrome. And in this dialog box you have to select the more tools, and in the more tools you have to select the developer tools. So in the left corner this is the web page, and the right corner here is the developer tools. So in this developer tools you have to select the three dots and then more tools, and in the more tools you have to select the network conditions. In the bottom here you will get the user agent. You have to uncheck the select automatically. In this tab you have a variety of user interface, and you have to select the BlackBerry BBB10. Okay, so after selecting you have to refresh this page and close the developer tools. And in this web page you can see here you can download the Windows 10 ISO file. So you have to select your edition, that is Windows 10 October update, and confirm. And then to select the language, choose one, and in my case I will be selecting English, and confirm. And in the Windows 10 architecture selection you have to select your desired architecture of Windows. In my case I will be selecting the 64-bit because my PC is 64-bit. As you can see, my PC is 64-bit and my processor is 2. So I will be selecting the 64-bit version. If you have a less than 4 GB of RAM you have to select the 32-bit version, and in my case I will be using 64-bit. So download, and as you can see you can download your Windows 10 ISO file using your IDM or the inbuilt Chrome downloader. So I will be start downloading, and here you can see it is started downloading. So I have already updated my Windows 10 and installed it too from the same procedure. So I will be cancelling this downloading. So hope you like this video. I hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, share this video, and tell me in the comment section how much you liked my efforts to share the experience and the procedure of ISO file downloading. In the next video I will be showing you how you can easily create your bootable pen drive of Windows 10 using your PC. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.